Good day, everyone. Let's start with a question. When you look at these images, collages of people connecting, symbols of global networks, and those mysterious acronyms, what do you see? To me, it's a story about how we as a human beings bridge gaps, share ideas, and build a world that's more connected than ever before. And that story is what we call global communication. Those acronyms E and C, S, W, C, I aren't just random letters. They are key to understanding the layers of this powerful concept. First, E and C could be education and communication, or environment and culture. Education gives us the tools to speak, listen, and learn from one another, while culture is the heart of what we say when we communicate across borders. We're not just exchanging words, we're sharing traditions, values, and ways of seeing the world. That's why E and C matter. They're the foundation of meaningful connection. Then there's S, W, maybe social work or social well being. Communication isn't just about talking, it's about caring. When we connect, we build relationships, solve problems, and work together to make life better. The images of people shaking hands and communities coming together are proof that communication with purpose creates exchange and lifts each other up. And CI, it might be cultural intelligence or communication and innovation. In a world, understanding different cultures is necessary. It helps us avoid misunderstandings, find common ground, and spark new ideas. Innovation doesn't happen alone. It grows when we talk, share, and learn from each other. That's CI, communication as a bridge between cultures and a driver of progress. Now look at the global communication. With a globe and network, there's the big picture. It's about all of us. A message can travel across the world in seconds. A story from a small village can inspire someone in a big city. We're all part of one huge interconnected web. But global communication isn't always easy. There are barriers, language, culture, distance, technology. Yet the images show us we're overcoming them. We're building bridges instead of walls, finding ways to listen, speak, and understand. So, what's the message here? It's simple. Communication is more than words, it's connection, it's understanding, it's the power to change the world. Those acronyms reminds us of the pieces that make this force: work, education, and culture, social well-being, cultural intelligence, and innovation. As we go forward, let's be curious, open, and kind. Let's use our voices to connect, learn, and make a difference. Because in a connected world, the most important thing we can do is communicate with heart, respect, and a desire to understand. Thank you, and let's keep the conversation going.